Hello class, so for today we're going to discuss about exponential equations, so on how to solve problems or on how to solve exponential equations and how to solve the value of our exponential equation. So we have here, before muna tayo mag-proceed sa mga example, let's define muna exponential equation. So an equation that involves the expression b, p of x is called an exponential equation. So lahat ng may b raised to the power of p of x ay tawag dyan is exponential equation. So again ha, naka-equation siya, that means naka-equal signs siya. So meron tayong theorem 2.5.1, nakasabi dito, let b is greater than 0, so dapat itong b natin, mas malaki siya sa 0 and b is not equal to 1, so hindi siya pwedeng equal to 1. So it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Bawal din negative, so since dapat greater than 0. Then, our b raised to the power of x is equal to b raised to the power of y if and only if x is equal to y. So, dapat, take note ha, ito, yung b natin, dito sa may x na exponent, tsaka dito sa may y exponent, dapat the same. So, dapat kung 2 ito, dito 2 rin. So, kung 3 dito, dapat dito 3 din. So, ganyan dapat sa exponential equation. So, proceed muna tayo sa mga examples. Okay, so proceed muna tayo sa mga examples. So, I prepared here 6 example. So, we have here 3 example muna. Then, next, we have another 3 example. So, dito muna tayo sa start. So, example number 1 muna tayo. We have here, example number 1, 2 of x is equals to 64. Diba, sabi dito sa theorem 2.5.1, dapat the same tayo ng base. So, ito, tawag natin dito is base. Ang tawag natin dito is exponent. So, dapat the same tayo. So, since ang base natin dito sa number 1, so ang base natin dito is 2, so itong 64, gawin natin siyang to the base 2. So, that will be, copy yung 2 to the power of x is equal to, so, teka lang. Takpan na natin itong sa number 3 and number 2 and number 3. Okay. So, we have here sa number 1, that is 2 to the power of x equals to 64. So, itong 64, gawin natin siya yung base is 2. So, lagay natin dito 2. So, ano dapat yung exponent dito? So, ano dapat itong exponent dito para maging 64? So, that will be, try natin 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8 times 2. 16 times 2. We have 32 times 2. That is 64. So, we have 2 raised to the power of 6. So, dapat yung exponent natin dito is 6. So, since same na sila ng base, we can now solve for x and our y. This is our x, this is our, ito yung sa y natin. Based dito sa theorem natin. So, ito yung x sa kabila, ito. Then, yung y naman dito, ito yun. Yung exponent dito sa right side. Okay, so since equal na sila ng base, we can now solve for the value of x. So, that will be x is equal to 6. So, yan yung sagot natin. So, checking tayo. So, try natin substitute. 2 to the power of x is equal to 64. So, dapat 6 yung x natin. 2 to the power of 6, that is equal to 64. Let us check. Okay, so try natin yung calculator. 2 to the power of 6, that is equal to, that is equal to 64. Base na din yan sa solving natin sa calculator. Okay. Okay na. Proceed tayo sa example number 2. So, we have example number 2. Takpan natin yung number 1 at takpan natin yung number 3 so that we can copy number 1. So, example number 2 natin, we have 3 to the power of 2 times x is equals to 81. So, the same sa ginawa natin sa number 1, dapat yung base natin is 3. So, we have 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3. Okay. Ano dapat yung exponent dito? Para magiging equal to 81 siya. So, try natin. We have 3 to the power of 3. That is 27. So, try natin 3 to the power of 4. That is 81. So, dapat 3 to the power of 4 tayo. That is 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So, since the same na yung base natin, try na natin isolve yung sa exponent. That is, baba natin itong sa exponent. That is 2x is equal to 4. So, to solve for x, divide natin both side by 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is equal to 4 divided by 2. So, cancel out tong 4, this is equal to 1. So, that is x is equal to 4 divided by 2. That is equal to 2. So, ito yung value ng x natin. So, try natin ng checking. Checking tayo. We have 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 81. So, try natin 3 times 2 times 2. That is equal to 81. So, this is 3 to the power of 4. 81. So, that is correct. That means tama yung sagot natin. Okay, so that means tama yung value ng x natin. Okay? Proceed tayo sa number 3. We have here example number 3. That is 3. It is 4 raised to the power of 5x minus 2 is equal to 256. So, copy natin yung sa left side, 4 raised to the power of 5x minus 2. That is equal to, dapat 4 din yung base. So, ano yung magiging value natin na exponent natin dito sa y, dito dapat sa kabilang side. So, we have 4 raised to the power of 4 raised to the power of 4. So, base sa calculator natin, that is 256. So, dapat 4 yung exponent natin ng 4 para magiging 256 siya. So, since the same na sila ng base, pwede natin ibaba yung exponent. So, we have 5x minus 2 is equal to 4. So, transpose natin yung positive 2 sa kabila. We have 5x is equal to 4 plus 2. This is 5x is equal to 6. So, divide natin both side by 5. That is 5x divided by 5. That is 6 divided by 5. We have x is 6 over 5. So, yan yung value natin ng x. So, checking tayo. Hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan yung checking. So, we have 4 raised to the power of 5x minus 2 is equal to 256. Yan yung given. So, itong x natin, ipalit natin dito sa value ng x natin. So, we have 5 times 6 over 5 minus 2 is equal to 256. So, 4, makancel out, it is equal to 1. So, 6 minus 2 is 256. This is 4 raised to the power of 4. 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. So, we have that is equal to 256. That means, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa next example. We have example number 4. So, mayroon tayong example dito. Okay, oops. Medyo complex na siya kasi may x na dito tapos may x na dito sa kabila. The same sa ating ibang example. So, paano natin gawin yan? So, let's have here like this. So, ito yung given natin sa number 4. Try mo natin solve number 4. So, again ha, ito yung sa x natin. Then, ito yung sa y natin. Based sa theorem natin. Okay. So, the same process pa rin tayo. Dapat the same sila ng base. So, we have copy yung 3 to the x is equal to, okay, 3. Ano yung dapat exponent ng 3 para magiging 27 siya? That is 3 raised to the power of 3. that is equal to 27. So, dapat 3 raised to the power of 3 times x minus 4. Okay. After that, copy natin itong sa left side. 3 raised to the power of 2x is equal to, okay, i-multiply natin yung exponent sa kabila. 3 times 3x minus 4. So, i-multiply natin na siya. So, that is 3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3x minus 4, that ay 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 4, that is negative 12. So, same na sila ng base. Then, meron na tayong exponent. So, pwede natin siyang ibaba. So, we have 2x is equal to 3x minus 12. Okay? Then, after that, transpose natin ito. So, 2x minus 3x is equal to negative 12. So, 2x minus 3x, that is equal to negative x. That is equal to negative 12. So, negative divided by negative, that is positive. So, x is equal to 12. So, yan yung value ng x natin. Okay, let's try to do some checking. So, checking tayo dito sa small space natin dito. So, checking tayo. I hope clear lang siya. Clear lang ba yung checking natin? Okay. So, checking tayo. We have, okay. So, substitute natin itong value ng x natin. So, we have 3. 2 times 12 is equal to 27. 12 minus 4. Okay, this is 3 raised to the power of 2 times 12, that is 24. Okay, 24 is equal to 27. 12 minus 4, that is 8. So, solve natin itong 3 raised to the power of 24. That is ito. 2, okay, approximate natin na 2.82 times 10 to the 11 is equal to, try natin kung the same sila ng value dito sa kabila. Ang laki naman ito. Okay, so let's try. So that is 27 raised to the power of 8. Okay, that is the same. 2.82 times 10 raised to the power of 11. So same sila ng sagot. That means tama yung sagot natin. Okay. Proceed tayo sa example number 5. So, proceed tayo sa example number 5. Okay, we have here number 5 na example. 2 raised to the power of x plus 3 is equal to 4 raised to the power of x minus 2. So, dapat naka-base 2 tayo since ito yung smallest na base natin. So, we have 2. Copy natin x plus 3 is equal to, okay, 2. Ano yung dapat exponent ng 2 para maging 4? That is 2 to the power of 2 times x minus 2. Okay, then copy natin 2x plus 3 is equal to 2. 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4. So, we have the same na sila ng base. Pwede natin ibaba yung exponent ito. Okay. So, pwede na natin itong ibaba. So, yan. Pwede natin ibaba. So, we have x plus 3 is equal to 2x minus 4. Then, again, we will do the same. Combine like terms. So, lahat ng x dito, lahat ng constant sa kabila. X minus 2x is equal to negative 4 minus 3. So, x minus 2x, that is negative x, is equal to, this is negative 7. So, negative divided by negative, that is x is equal to 7. So, yan yung sagot natin. Okay, let's try to do some checking. So, checking tayo. So, we have here, substitute natin yung value ng 7. So, we have 2, 7 plus 3 is equal to 4, 7 minus 2. This is 2 raised to the power of 10 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 7 plus 3, that is 10. 7 minus 2, that is, this is 5. So, let's solve this one in calculator. 2 raised to the power of 10 This is 1024. Ito. This 1024. Then we have 4 raised to the power of 5. That is 1024. That means, tama yung sagot natin. Okay. Let's proceed sa last example. We have example number 6. So we have here our example number 6. This is, okay, number 6, 5 raised to the power of 3x minus 2 is equal to 125 2x. Okay, so we have here, copy natin yung 5. That is 3x minus 2 is equal to, okay, again, yung base natin dapat 5. So 5. Ano yung magiging exponent natin para magiging 125? That is 5. 5 squared is 25. 5 cube is 125. So, dapat 5 cube siya. 5 cube or 5 raised to the power of 3 times 2x. Okay. Since same na sila ng base, so pwede natin ibaba yung exponent. So, 3x minus 2 is equals to 3 times 2x. So, we have, copy 3x minus 2. 3 times 2x, that is 6x. Okay, then, transpose natin, 3x minus 6x is equal to 2. Okay, so, meron na tayong sagot. Wala pa. Okay, so we have 3x minus 6x, that is negative 3x. This is equal to 2. Okay, then, divide both side by negative 3. So, we have x is negative 2 thirds. So, yan yung value natin. Okay, checking tayo. Checking. So, we have 5. 3 times negative 2 thirds minus 2 is equal to 125. 2 times negative 2 thirds. So, we have 5. Okay, we have solve natin itong sa exponent. Okay, solve natin ito. This is 3 times negative 2 thirds minus 2. So, that is negative 4. So, copy natin negative 4 is equal to 125. 2 times negative 2 thirds. This is equal to negative 4 thirds. Negative 4 thirds. So, try natin kung equal yung value. 5 raised to the power of negative 4. This is 1 over 6 to 5. Ito naman sa kabila. Okay, that is 1 over 6 to 5. Copy natin. 1 to 5 raised to the power of negative 4 thirds. That is equal to 1 over 6 to 5. So, that means, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, I hope you learned something for today. So, if you have question, kindly do not hesitate to ask me. So, this is how we solve exponential equation. Again, let's recall yung exponential equation natin. That is in the form or expression dapat b raised to the power of p of x. Yung p of x natin, ito yun. So, yan yung p of x natin. Yan. Then, based sa theorem, yung b natin is dapat greater than 0 and not equal to 1. So, dapat it can be 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Then, if mag-solve tayo, dapat same sila ng base. So, the same yung same base. Then, saka tayo mag-solve sa exponent natin. Then, that means, our exponent, ito yung sa x natin, yung value ng y, yan yung sagot ng x natin. So, yung b to the power of x is equals to b to the power of y, if and only if yung x is equal to y. So, that's how we solve our exponential equation. So, summary tayo. We need first, we need to make sure that they have the same base. So, same yung base natin. Tsaka tayo mag-solve sa exponent. Okay? So, thank you for today. I hope you learned something. Again, if you have a question, please do not be afraid or do not be shy to ask me a question since para sa inyo rin ito. Okay, so I hope you have a blessed day ahead. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.